I mentioned a while ago that you can copy the formulas. Remember, this is the original nested if statement, and then we just copy pasted this in cells C15 and D15, right? Now you might be wondering, can I always do that in Excel? I don't need to edit the formulas, I can just copy paste them. Okay, there are three types of references in Excel, and these are relative, absolute, and mixed references. Now you might want to Google the definitions, like for instance this one, what is relative reference in Excel? Although admittedly, when I first studied Excel and I read the definitions of this, I didn't quite understand them. So I think it will be better for you to understand this through a demonstration. So please go to the next worksheet. The title is Relative Reference. We are now in worksheet relative reference, and for our first example, we have marketing sales report for August 2019. We have sales representatives, August sales, and their corresponding commission rates. And we are going to multiply the commission rate by August sales. So from there, we can get the commission and sales. And in this example, we will not use the product function. We will use the cells instead for us to see what is relative reference. Okay, now go to cell E4, type equal sign, and then select, or you can type C4, so that's 200,000, asterisk to multiply, and then D4. Then press enter, you should get 5,000. Okay, so from here, you can copy paste. Okay, so what I will do, I pressed Control C, and then I will press Shift to select cells until E9, and then press Control V, as in Vault as 5. Or another way to copy paste, I will select cell E4, place my mouse pointer on the lower right corner of the cell. When you see the black crosshair, you will left click, hold it, and then drag this until the 9th row. Okay, so if you will check the cells, you will get the correct formula. So here we have C4 times D4. This one is C5 times D5, C6 times D6, and so on. So if you will check the definition of relative reference, when a formula with relative cell references is copied to another cell, the reference changes based on a relative position of rows and columns. So here we can see that the columns are the same, but the rows are different. I mean, it would correspond to different sales representatives. Okay, next example is this one. Can you scroll down? And as you can see, it's arranged a bit different. The data is arranged horizontally. So the formula is the same. We are going to multiply the sales by their corresponding rates. Okay, so let's go to cell B16, equal sign, and then select B15, multiply it by B17. Press enter, you should get 5,000. Okay, so from here, you can copy paste. I will select B16. So I will press Control C and then press Shift key and then hold this and drag this until G16. Press Control V. Okay, we have the same answers. So this time, we have the same rows, right? So they used 15 and 17, but the columns have been changed because of the arrangement. So horizontally, you will get the same rows but not the columns.